Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2022 Chevrolet Equinox LT. It comes equipped with a 1.5 liter turbo engine paired to a 6-speed automatic transmission. Other amenities included such as premium heated bucket seats, panoramic sunroof, forward collision alert, lane keep assist, and so much more. Check it out. Alright, moving on to the interior, we're going to have this all black interior with paneling and cup holder storage at the bottom. You got your power trunk release right next to the speaker. With the power locks, mirrors, and windows, the chrome accent handle. You're going to use gray and black heated cloth bucket seats with driver adjustable lumbar, super comfortable. Left side you'll have your vents and your lighting control just below. And left side of the steering wheel will be your cruise control, forward collision alert, and heated steering wheel, as well as lane keep assist. And the right side will be your voice recognition and odometer cluster control. Now for the odometer here, you can access all of your vehicle information, including your gauges, trip info, you can see, as well as audio, navigation, phone connectivity, and other settings as well. It's going to be push to start onto the infotainment. Pretty straightforward. You got Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, built-in Wi-Fi hotspot, as well as navigation. You can also access Spotify, Amazon Alexa, and as well as your front, rear, and 360-degree camera, and as well as your mirror cams. Below that will be your dual zone climate control with the heated seats. Just below you'll have 2 USB ports as well as an SD card reader and a 12-volt with park assist and all-wheel drive next to it. Cup holder storage, and as well as a center console with 2 more USB ports. Passenger side, same finish but manually adjustable. The yellow stitch, black and gray. Chrome all the way across as well. Speakers and vents up top. And then here you can access your reading lamps, OnStar and SOS, and your panoramic sunroof. You're going to have these 17-inch wheels on Bridgestone Alenza tires with the paint match mirror caps, LED turn signal, and as well as paint match keyless entry door handle. Black looking side rail up top with deep tinted rear glass in the back. Black bow tie as well. You're going to have the 60/40 rear folding split seats, as well as you got extra storage with 12 volts, hooks, and extra wheel storage down below. Pretty spacious rear. Moving on to the rear interior, again, more paneling and storage right next to the speaker, power window with the chrome handle. Pop it back, pretty decent legroom, storage behind the passenger side with rear ventilation, 2 USB ports as well as an AC wall part right on the bottom. Cup holder and armrest right in the center, lamps and handles on the side, and above you again, the panoramic sunroof. Okay, well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet as we checked out this 2022 Chevrolet Equinox LT. Comes equipped with a 1.5 liter turbo engine, as well as forward collision alert, lane keep assist, panoramic sunroof, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe, and we hope to see you at Chevy Farm very soon.